We got our first glimpse of the yoke steering wheel. I don't know if it's the first because I saw somebody, I think we may even talked about a clip at one point with the drone flying over some Teslas, and it kind of caught a glimpse of the yoke steering wheel. But this is way closer. This is much better, this video. As a citizen, a human, was walking around, and I guess they saw this Model S Plaid sitting there. Funny enough, I think I ordered this spec, but I haven't heard from Tesla in a long time. I don't know if they're going to give me this car. Or
supposed to be shipped in March.
And what's going on with that?
There's no update? You didn't get an email?
I don't think so, unless I missed it. But anyway, this one's out there in the world. And the key component here, the big difference maker, how you can tell, is the interior, obviously, and this very unusual steering wheel. And this person got right up close and personal with it.
He's like, hey, that's a new Plaid. I'm just going to film it.
That's it. That's all you need to do. And so the yoke steering wheel's there, the new interior, the new display, the new trim with the black trim all over, the new wheels, $4,500 option, the Plaid badge on the back, the black trim above the steering wheel.
Where was this?
The plate on the right looked like
Dealership?
California, right?
Oh.
But
Was it at a dealership, you think?
No, this doesn't look like a dealership to me. But it is odd that the car itself has no plates on the front or back. How to get it here? It looks, if you look at the reflections, it looks like a residential area.
And looks like it was driven too.
Yeah.
The dirt marks.
Oh, it's been driven. No doubt about it.
Well, that looks cool, man.
Well, they're getting closer at least. I mean, you see this one on the road, you start to realize the physical thing. I mean, it exists and it's coming soon.
Yeah.
It's
very cool.
Eventually I'll get it. I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah.
At a certain point, I don't know.
Are you're
Should
excited?
I still get it? I don't know.
Yeah. Why not?
Okay.
Are you excited?
All right. Yes. Yeah. But it said March, and I was like, okay, cool. There's going to be an opportunity to film the thing, and it's going to be early and everything else. And then, like, let's say it takes another 6 months or something. And look, it's hard, man. It's hard to make these things. I understand. But it's like any product, really. It's timing and hype and everything else. It's all connected, especially in this game where we're trying, you might make a video about it and it's all really important when it all happens. Like right now, this guy has more footage on the Model S Plaid than I do. What's the channel name?
It's
Shiprasa. 45,000 views. Quick walk around. 4 subscribers. Shout out. Gorgeous. Awesome find. Yeah, I mean, he just spotted it in public in San Francisco by the looks of it. But again, parked on the street. We should know San Francisco when we saw the hill. Parked on the street, no plates. Interesting.